So hello, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd do a bit of a video mainly to say thank you. So the channel is receiving more support day by day. It's growing at a steady pace, not really quickly, not blowing up overnight or anything like that. I really want to grow the channel for many reasons. I really enjoy doing what I do in terms of putting the videos together, the riding experience that is behind them, and I love being able to share these experiences with you at home. And judging by your comments, the people that do comment, generally speaking, are fantastic, really lovely comments. There's clearly some people out there enjoying my videos, so I'm really glad about that. So I just wanted to say thank you for the support. I'm at about 1,300 subscribers now, just over. I obviously would like to grow it to a larger channel. I would like to be able to bring you more features, maybe test out bits of gear, things like that. I don't know, but that's where I would like to see the channel going, and obviously keep the same sort of content that we've got now. So motorcycle tours is my real passion, so that will always be a part of the channel. And what I should also say is thank you so much for your support with my recent Scotland series. It's totally eclipsed my previous efforts from Corsica, Slovenia, etc. And it's really encouraged me to keep going because I can see the channel's going in the right direction. So thanks again for that support with the Scotland series. But coming up, there's a bit of a change going on. So I've embarked on a winter project this year. I've mentioned it in one of my previous videos, but in September I bought an Africa Twin, an RD04 1991 registered bike. So 34 years old, one owner, and I couldn't resist it. I've got a soft spot for Africa Twins. I had one in 2009, I think I bought it, and I did a nut and bolt restoration on that one as well. So that was an RD07. This one's an RD04, so a bit different. So that's been keeping me really busy over the past few weeks, months. I'm doing a full nut and bolt refurbishment of this bike, so it's fully stripped down, the frame and other bits, the subframe, the instrument tree, etc. all been away for powder coat. We've got all those back now, rear shock absorber refurbished, that sort of thing, you know. But as often happens with these projects, it's really grown legs. I've got a bit carried away. I've getting bolts plated and all sorts. Anyway, I'm enjoying the process, but the upshot is it's taking me a bit longer than I expected it would. Partly because the weather in January has been awful, and a lot of what I do is outside weather dependent. So if I'm painting something or if I'm shot blasting something, I need to be outside. And unfortunately in January, it's not giving me the opportunity to do that very much, hardly at all, in fact. So it is lagging behind. I was hoping to have more or less a full series that I could start to post now. Anyway, the good news is that should be coming along in February, and I'm excited to share that, and I hope you guys are excited to see that as well. So beyond that, what is going to happen on the channel? Well, the coming year, I'd still like to do the usual, so the 2 trips a year, usually one around April, May, one around September. No idea where to. I do very little pre-planning on these. It's really usually a spur of the moment decision where I go, we go, so I usually go with other people, and that decision's usually made depending on the weather at the time. So we'll have to see what the weather's doing. We'll have to see whether I go on my own or with other people. I'm not sure. But those 2 trips I think I would like to do again this coming year. Aside from that, obviously once I've finished the Africa Twin, I would like to do a tour, some tours on that. I don't know how long I will keep the bike, if I'll keep the bike, etc., etc. Partly because it's cost me more money than I thought it would, so my funds are a bit depleted. Maybe I need to sell that and go on the Triumph, so I still have the Triumph as well. So we'll see how that pans out, but I would like to do a tour on that. So maybe one of the 2 tours this year will be on the Africa Twin and the other one on the Triumph. I don't know, we'll see. Another option is that, you know, I do a short camping trip in the UK on the Africa Twin. So there's a few options there, a couple of big tours, maybe some smaller 4-day trips. We'll see. What else I would like to do is day trips. So day trips out on the bike to interesting places, interesting attractions, mainly motorcycle related, I guess, but maybe car related as well. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you particularly like to see, but anything that's within a day's riding of Hampshire, I'll obviously consider. So please let me know in the comments anything you might like to see, or anything you think I could do better. Your comments are very inspiring to me. I enjoy reading them, I enjoy replying to them. So please, you know, send me comments, engage with me, and that way we can grow the channel together, and that would be fantastic. So that's it really, that's what's coming up in the coming year. The main reason for this is I just wanted to say thank you for your support, your continued support, and please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, please like videos that you watch, feel free to share videos. This all really helps in the growing of the channel, and the comments in particular inspire me to carry on doing what I do. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in that Africa Twin refurbishment series. Take care. I am the Motorcycle Wanderer. See you soon.